Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. I have another Stitch Fix. I don't know what to do. I love getting Stitch Fix, but I may need to slow down. I sort of feel slightly like I get them more than the inventory can withhold. I will say my new favorite way to do it is to pick one item. And so far, I think this is my third time doing that. I get the same amount of previews I would normally. So if you're like me and feel like the website words it in a way that you won't get a preview, just know that you do. That being said, I would love to hear if any of you guys have clothing subscription boxes that you love. I would like to maybe try a different one. I will say Wantable, I do have $15 credit with them, so I might at some point use that, but it doesn't seem like their clothes fit me or my style. So I haven't had good luck with them recently. So I'm not super jazzed about them. But let me know any styling boxes for clothes that you like. I will say they did a better job on colors. I was about ready to divorce my stylist because he kept sending white, light colors. And I have told them a gazillion times. So I left it in multiple places, really like I always do. But I kept reiterating it. Anytime I was able to put it in a box, I kept reiterating it. And so we do have good colors. I am not excited about it much, except for the item I picked. But again, I always encourage you to try everything on. You never know. It might be awesome. Like already the colors look better in person than they did on the computer screen. He picked 3 items. I picked 2 items. Ooh, if I kept everything, it would be only $149, which I think is a good price for 5 items. I do have 4 tops and a dress. First up is one of his choices. And I'm going to be honest, it looks better in person. I also love this color. This is kind of in person anyway. It's a rusty red. That is a color that looks good on me. I will say the tops he picked seem kind of basic. But again, this is looking better in person. It has these almost like little cutouts. I like this little border. It has a keyhole back. So this is looking better in person than it did online. I do like the color. This is by Market and Spruce. Let's see. This is $45, the Luna short sleeve eyelet top. I hope it's cut well and it looks good. Because this is definitely, I like it. The only thing I picked from one of my previews was this dress. It was a risk, but otherwise I was like pretty much 0 for 2 previews. So I thought I would try it. I like the color. I like the turtleneck, but it is ribbed. And so this is looking too small currently. I don't know. I would be shocked if this isn't too small. It is a sweater dress. I'm going to be honest. It looks like it's going to pill. So the skirt to me looks like that, whatever that's called, that will pill. I like the color. It has these little gold details. It just seems like it's going to be too small. But anyway, this should be interesting to try on. It is soft. This is Montgomery Post, the Caddy. I don't even know. C-A-I-T-I. Sweater dress, extra large. I would feel like I'm probably going to need a size up. And this is $69. I haven't had the best luck with Montgomery Post. Feeling quality. This doesn't feel bad. I don't think it feels awesome, but it absolutely doesn't feel bad. It is thinner down here. I'm very interested in how this fits and looks. I am thinking it's going to be lumps and bumps showing, and I probably need to size up, but you never know. I do love the color. This item is one that I picked, and it is on sale, which is awesome. This has a lot of sort of texture. I also like the bubble sleeves. These are also kind of a see-through sleeve. So again, good for California. I don't know. For whatever reason, this intrigued me, but clearly not anybody else because it's on sale. So I don't know what the regular price was, but it's $31.97. I like the color, and I don't have anything with it kind of like almost like has like a plaid pattern And then the textured flowers. I don't have anything like that. So I don't know why, but it just drew my attention. So this was the item I chose. And I'm excited to see if it looks good. So this was one of the items that I really felt looked basic. It is in a color that I would wear, but it's very unique to me. Like, it's a purple, but it's, I don't know. It's not a lavender, almost like a periwinkle. The only really detail it has are these sleeves. It is just, to me, a basic t-shirt. So it's not terrible, but I'm also not super excited for it. I don't know. This is Market and Spruce, the Kinley Crochet Trim Slub Tee. What does slub mean? I don't think I've ever heard that word. This to me just looks like a t-shirt, a v-neck t-shirt with a little bit of detail. Interesting. I don't think I've ever had a top this exact color. I don't know. Again, I'm interested to try it on. You never know. This is $35. It could knock my socks off. I'm not holding my breath, but you never know. And then the last one is also Montgomery Post. All of these are in a size extra large. This is the Shannon Ariette blouse. I do like dark green. It has a little like V-neck that comes down to like a little gold button. This to me is classic Stitch Fix, which is kind of boring. This is also that thick. It's the polyester I don't like. I'm not by all means or any means anti-polyester, but it's that thick kind of like, to me, cheapy polyester that's going to be hot. I don't know. It slightly also feels like it might not fit, but I do like the color. It'll come down to the cut and how it feels. If it's cut well, I don't mind it. I just feel like I've had this top from a Stitch Fix for like 5 years now. This is $45. So we will see. It seems too small, but it all comes down to the cut and how it feels. So those are the 5 items. Let's get to the best part, which of course is the try on. All right, this is what I mean when you should try things on. I feel like I was giving it a bad rap before I ever tried it on. It fits way better than I thought it would. I really like the neckline. I like the gold button. Gold is the jewelry that looks best on me. I like the sleeve length. It fits. Like, I don't know. I was really thinking, I was in my head about it being too small. These are the jeans I wore to school today. I think this looks really good. I think with other jeans, I might say this is too long because I don't like things too long. But I feel like they look nice. Or not they. This outfit looks nice. I like the top. I will say the rolly is like rolled. It's a little bit thick, so it's like weird. When you close your arms, you can feel the cuffs. Like, this is almost like they triple did the material. But I don't know. I like the color. This is a good color on me. It highlights my eyes. I like this top way more than I thought I would. And then we have a cat. Let's see. I'll show you Spirit. We have a cat over here chewing the box. Anyway, this is $45. I'm going to be honest. I don't quite know if I think it's a $45 top, but I do like it. Way better than I thought I would. I will say some of these tops anymore, they're longer in the front. I don't know. It's weird. But anyway, I do like this top. Let's get on to the next one. All right, I am back with the top I picked to be in the box. I do love the color. I don't mind the neck. They kind of have this little like ruching here, and then it kind of blouses out. This is $31 and I think 97 cents. So it's on clearance. I don't mind it. For being honest, I think I like the green top better. I don't know. What do you guys think? The one thing that I regret in this top, and that I usually try to be diligent in making sure it's not rayon. And I think I maybe just read that the outside is polyester and then I stopped. So this is a double layered top. This lining is 100% rayon. In my experience, even on wash cold, you guys a long time ago gave me the tips and tricks to like stretch it out after I wash it and line dry. I always line dry. It only lasts like 3 to 4 washes before eventually it shrinks. So that's the downfall. And I would also say, especially the lining is, it fits, but there is no room for shrinking. I would be interested in what you guys think. Which top is better? And somehow this top ended up on the floor. The green top or this top? I don't mind this top at all. I don't know. I think I like the green top better. I don't know. It's unique. I don't have anything with this kind of, whatever this is, like lifted up pattern. I definitely like the color. I like the sleeves. I don't know. I like it. I don't know if it's, I'm like super, I don't know. There's something about it where I'm not sure. I'm like, yes, I want to wear this tomorrow, but it's not bad. I was kind of more excited about the green. All right, let's get on to the next top. So I am always, I don't know why, I'm always on the hunt for the Stitch Fix 5 for 5. And so I was kind of like, could this be, since it's so cheap? But I think this top takes it out. I do love the color. I love the sleeve length. But you can see my bra. The top of my bra is here and you can like see it. It has like, I don't know what we'd call, but like a stitching or a rim around the top, and you can see that. And like, you can see it, like this is my bra here. And even though I know it's a nude bra, and at least on camera, it's not obvious, you guys probably get tired of hearing me say it. I'm a teacher. I just don't want to be helping a kid and they're like staring in the hole. And again, I don't know how obvious it is in the camera, but you can see the top of my bra. So I'm just super conservative. I teach junior high. If it was elementary, I don't think it would be a big deal. But, and I would also say it's longer than I would like, and it's just a straight boxy cut, which isn't my favorite. Is it bad? No. It's just not my preferred. This rectangle cut, I just think accentuates my big pouch there. So, not a bad top. I like the fabric. I like the color. I actually don't mind the pattern if you didn't see my bra. Like if it just came up a little higher, I like the little eyelets on the sleeves. So this top is definitely, I think, a no for me. Let's get to the next top. All right, we are back with the purple periwinkle top. This is $35, Market and Spruce, Kinley crochet. It is not bad. It's a little more V-necky than I would like. I do like the little pattern. It's kind of a rectangle, but I feel like it's shorter than that red top. My only, I think, thing is that I think I could find a similar top at Walmart or Target for less than 20 bucks. It would be definitely more of a casual wear on the weekend in the summer, which isn't bad to have. It is a little thin. So it doesn't excite me for $35. It's just, to me, a basic tee. Again, nothing wrong with it, but I don't necessarily need a casual tee that's $35. So this is definitely also a no. So let's try on the dress. That is the last piece. I'm very interested to see how that fits. All right, I am back with this dress. I left my pants on, which may be annoying. I don't know. The neck is choking me. It is skin tight on my neck. I cannot stand that. I love the sleeve length. I love the color. I think it would be fun to wear like a necklace. I like these little guys. I don't know whether it's obvious. It is skin tight on my stomach. I would need to size up. I don't know if sizing up would help. And I'm sorry, I have my pants on. If it fit perfectly, this could definitely be a contender. I really do feel like this fabric is gonna pill. And again, can you see, it is just pulled straight tight on my stomach. So I really don't think sizing up would be great. It is also like so tight on my back. I can feel that. So this is definitely going back. Sometimes sizing up makes a big difference. I often find there's hardly, in the areas you want it to be, there's not a big enough difference. So I do like this dress, but like maybe that's a better view. I don't know. It is tight in my back, tight on my stomach, the neck. It literally feels like somebody's choking me. This is so tight. So anyway, kind of a nice concept. Like I would, if this fit, like if it wasn't tight where is tight, I like this dress a lot. I love the sleeve length. It is soft. Again, I'm pretty sure it's going to pill, but it is just too tight in all the wrong places. I don't normally do this, but I feel like because we're down to these two tops, I am going to try them on again. I would love to know your thoughts. Which top is best? Are they both? So the green and the red, which one? And I'll be right back because I'm going to try them on again. All right, I am back with this top. I kind of am leaning towards this being the winner. I think I'm only going to keep one top. I would be excited to wear this tomorrow. I really like it with these pants. I like the color. I love the V-neck. I like this gold button. The only issue is it's so thick right here, but I don't think that's a deal breaker. But really, when you put in your armpit, there's too much fabric here. But I just really like this top for whatever reason. I'm shocked because I didn't think I would. I think it's cut in a flattering way. I really like it with these pants. I mean, I could definitely wear this tomorrow. I really like it. So I think this is going to be the winner, but let's try the other top on. I would really like your opinion, which is best, red or green. So I'll be right back. All right, this is not a bad top either. I do like the color. I think the sleeves are fun. For whatever reason, I kind of think I'm just more excited about the green. This is $15 cheaper. This is definitely more of a winter top, but it works perfectly for California and I could wear it enough because it's a thin. So what do you guys think? Which is best, red top or green top? My one reservation with this is that the lining is rayon, and I really don't think it's going to last more than a few washes before it gets tight. So I'm kind of thinking the green, but I'm always loving your guys' opinion. Which would you guys get, the red top or the green top? Like I said, I really don't think I'm going to get both. So I would love your feedback. Thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you